Bakit yung DPWH wala po? At kung tatalakayin bukas, maaari bang ibigay sa amin ng mas maaga pagkat yung committee report, kung maalala ko, mahigit kumulang 1,500 pahina. Kailan kaya matatapos yung DPWH budget? Kasi yun talaga ang inaasahan ng taong bayan. Both are in fact here. On page 31, as mentioned earlier, the unprogrammed funds are already listed quite adequately, and the special purpose fund that were supposedly not here are quite clearly denominated in page 29 as special purpose funds. So ang tanging kulang lamang ay yung mahiwagang DPWH. Yun lang po. Maliwanagan lang sana ang minorya. Pagkat wala po akong nakikitang budget ng DPWH at kung talagang transparency ang habol natin, bakit wala rito ang pinagmulan ng pagpopoot at kawalang kampiyansa ng taong bayan sa atin? Dapat mag-umpisa ang usapin dito sa Public Works. Pero wala sa anumang papel, sa 9-page summary o dito man sa binigay sa atin kahapon lamang na reconciliation of disagreeing provisions. Bakit po walang budget yung DPWH?
Ang schedule po ng DPWH ay bukas po.
Paano natin malalaman at maihahambing ang iba't ibang mga department kung may kulang? At bakit DPWH lang ang nawawala sa talakayan?
Actually, may mga ibang mga items po ho na bukas po itatalakay katulad po ng mga special purpose funds, unprogrammed appropriations. So tomorrow
yung
po ay
unprogrammed po nandito.
Tomorrow po ang tomorrow ho yung pag-uusapan.
Pero narito na. Andito naman yung unprogrammed at hinanap ko talaga. Arito naman yung unprogrammed. Dito sa page 31 ng page 32 na kumpleto. Kaya pinagtatakangan ko bakit yung DPWH wala po. At kung tatalakayin bukas, maaari bang ibigay sa amin ng mas maaga pagkat yung committee report, kung maalala ko, mahigit kumulang 1,500 pahina.
Noted po. We'll provide Her Honor the documents ahead of time.
Kailan kaya matatapos yung DPWH budget? Kasi yun talaga ang inaasahan ng taong bayan.
Assured po na ipro-provide po sa Her Honor at sa lahat po ng conferees, hindi lang po sa Senate but also sa House of Representatives po.
I would like to acknowledge on the part of the House, Representative Rufus Rodriguez for a manifestation.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Chair Will Gatchalian of the Senate and all the distinguished senators who are here and my distinguished colleagues. Really, as stated by the chairman, Article 6, the Legislative Department, under Section 24, really gives the original exclusive jurisdiction on budgets, on appropriations to the House. But of course, the Senate has also the power to propose and concur with amendments. And doing our duty, as what the Chair, Mika, has said, we 255.5 billion of flood control and budget of the DPWH, in the first instance, was distributed by the House of Representatives to first 90 billion to health, 56 billion to education, and 53 billion to agriculture. Practically 211 billion of the 255.5. So that is to follow the presidential directive that we have to focus, as stated by former Congressman of Senator Erwin here, Tulfo, that education, health, and also agriculture will be given priority. So therefore, we have taken the lead and we are very happy that the Senate has likewise studied the budget and has also made proposals to further enhance our support for education, health, and agriculture. Thank you very much, Madam Chair and Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair, both chairs, please. Yes, with all due respect, and I am compelled to disagree without being disagreeable. it was mentioned that certain funds are not included in this submission, when in fact, both are in fact here. On page 31, as mentioned earlier, the unprogrammed funds are already listed quite adequately, and the special purpose fund that were supposedly not here are quite clearly denominated in page 29 as special purpose funds. So ang tanging kulang lamang ay yung mahiwagang DPWH. Yun lang po.
Bukas po, hindi ho lahat ng mga items ho dito matatapos ho natin. Hopefully ho matapos, but from our estimate, baka hindi ho matapos. So bukas ho natin i-deliberate yung ibang mga agencies. Kasama po special purpose funds, kasama na rin po yung mga ibang mga ahensya.
Yes, maraming salamat po. Sana bigyan kami ng konting panahon para mabasa ng maigi at mapag-aralan yung lalo na yung DPWH. Maraming salamat po.
Alright, maraming salamat po. Any more conferees who want to make an opening statement? Meron pa hong mga...